Hey homeschoolers, today we've got some products to unbox. We've got this JanSight high quality phone tripod mount for our tripod, and we've got the K&F Concept selfie ring light. So we're going to unbox these and see how they work, and stay tuned for Homeschool Chronicles. Alright, so here's the JanSight high quality phone tripod mount. This allows you to attach this to a regular camera tripod, and because most tripods don't support an iPhone or a phone, and allows you to put your phone in here, and it's got 360-degree rotation, so you can rotate your phone. So let's take a look at this. This was cheap on Amazon, and I think it was what, $14.99 or something, or less. I'll show a screenshot of the Amazon. So we got this is a wrist strap, and this is a remote, so you don't have to touch your camera, and you can just press the button. It's a Bluetooth remote. You've got an on-off switch there. I guess it takes a battery of some sort. Remote shutter. Let's see what the battery is. Oh, it's a watch battery. So it's a regular CR2032 watch battery. Let me put that back in. So it comes with the battery. Alright, so there. Got that, and then we have the mount. So this here allows you to open it up to whatever size you need to fit your phone, and then you clamp it in there. And then this also here on the back, this 360-degree, allows you to rotate the phone into place. So you loosen that and you can rotate it 360 degrees, and then once it's done, you can tighten it in. And this is where there's two here. You can either put this in your tripod, or you can do this to your tripod. So whichever way you want to do it, you can do it. So that's this one, and we'll show it with on the tripod as well, and we'll see how well it works when we're putting a phone on it. So alright, here we have this selfie ring light we got from Amazon as well, by K&F Concept. So it's a ring light. It attaches to it has a clip on. Apparently it's going to attach to pretty much anything you can clip it onto. Selfie ring light with phone holder. It also comes with a phone holder as well, and it also comes with a remote control. So let's take a look at this. That's the phone holder. Again, this one is like that, so it's a spring-loaded one. And what do we have here? There's another remote, similar, another one, the shutter remote. It's pretty much identical except the color from the other one. And then here's the main thing, the ring light. Let's open this up. The bubble packaging. So here we go. It's got a USB cable. So you plug it into a USB charger and then plug that into the wall, and that powers the light. So there's the ring light. It's an LED. It's supposed to have 3 brightnesses and 3 modes and 10 brightness levels. So we're going to see how that works. And this is the clamp. So you can clamp it on anything. It's pretty spring-loaded clamp there. So you can clamp it pretty much anywhere. And that's it. So, and then it comes with an inline remote for the lighting control. So that's good, on off, and you've got up and down for the brightness, and then the mode switch. So we'll see how that works out. All right, so we got our items unboxed, and now I've attached the phone holder to the tripod here. So we've got it on the tripod. We've screwed it onto the screw, the universal screw on the tripod, using this connector now. So now that it's attached, you can use this to go up and down. You can use this to go up and down, and put my phone in it here. And you put a phone in, and then you can even keep it in the case and then secure your phone. And you've got your camera all ready to go. And then you can also rotate this if you want. See, it rotates 90 degrees, whatever angle you want, and everything else is done on the tripod itself. So this is too little tight right now. Untighten it. So then you can use this to go up and down. So you get a good range of motion with this. And the other thing that came with it was this remote control, right? So I've paired it with my phone. You just pair it in the Bluetooth settings. So if I go now into the camera, it's in photo mode, and all I have to do once you set up your camera to do the shutter is press this button. There's an iOS button and there's an Android button depending on which kind of phone it is. So I press the iOS button and it takes a picture. If I hold it down, it bursts a picture. I'm hoping it worked. And if it's in video mode, let me put it in video mode. Pressing it once will start the video, and pressing it again will stop the video. So that's pretty good. It seems to work pretty well for what we need, so that's going to be a good item. So the next item is, let me just take the phone off of here. Let's put that over there. The light with the phone holder. So you can also have a second phone if you have this as well. So you can have like if you want to film two angles at the same time, you could use that. And this one is on a ball joint, so you can move it around a little bit. And it was tricky to get it on, but I figured it out. You have to like push it all the way onto the ball before you tighten it, otherwise it won't stay on. But that's fine. And then we have the ring light here. And the ring light also comes with this inline remote here. So, and then what you want to do is clamp it on something. So I would clamp it on the tripod somewhere. This isn't perfect right now, but you'll adjust it as you need. Get that out of the way, and you put it in behind your camera however you want it. So that's that. And then to turn it on, we got 4 buttons here. The power button, press that, and that's on the lowest level, just so I don't want to blow out anyone's eyes. And then we've got this mode, the yellow mode, and then we've got also in between. So we got 3 different modes, and then 10 different brightnesses with the up and down. Right, it's on the lowest, but if you press it once, it comes up. Press it once, it goes down. And that's all there is to it. So this is showing you what the footage is like with the ring light on. So we got the ring light clamped on. We turned down we found that we have to turn down the lights inside the room, but then the ring light you're just being lit by the ring light only right now. So this is to show you the quality of what the product does. Okay, so we're showing you the back side of the camera now, how it's set up, and you can see how it's clamped to the tripod. Just one thing, make sure you hold on to the clamp when you move the light around, otherwise the clamp will come off easy. It's really meant to be clamped to a desk or something, but you have to experiment to see what works best for you. So, but it's set up now and it's working pretty good. So this is the white light mode, and we're going to switch it now. The yellow light mode, switch it again, and the in-between sort of hybrid mode, I guess, and then back to the white light mode. So depending on what your lighting is, you may like one mode better than the other, depending. So it's up to you to decide that for yourself, right? So, and then if you want to turn down the light, you can, the minus and the plus, and go lower, step by step lower. You can see the difference with that too, until it goes to the bottom and then back up. And there we go. Brighter is probably better though, I would think. Right? You want a nice bright light. Those are the light modes. Alright, so we're done this unboxing. So, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next video.